Welcome to the Box Institute tutorial on how to outline text in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. So in order to do this, first thing we want to do is click on the text field. We can pick whatever color we want. Let's go with red. And then we click in here and we say test text. So let's do that. Actually, let's change that to outline text. That'll be cool. Let's make this a little bigger so we can really see it well. We'll make it a 60. Now what we want to do here is we want to outline this text with a border, and we'll use a black border around it. In order to do that, we're going to go over here to the layer, and we're going to right click and we're going to go to blending properties. And in here, under blending options, we're going to click on stroke. Now you'll see that the color is red, and you can barely see it, but there is an outline around that. You can't see it because the text is red and the outline is red. But if we change this color to black, now we have a nice outline of that text. And there you have it. That's a pretty simple solution to outlining text in Adobe Photoshop 7.0. If you like this video, please check out the next one.